What's up, everybody? It's your girl, Chef AJ.
And Chef Goddess, and we're inviting you to come have a seat
at the Black Chef's table. Come on, come through, come on.
Hey, it's Chef Goddess, and today I got some shrimp and grits. We're gonna make it up. Nice little brunch event. Got our shrimp here. Gonna go and throw it in a pot, the pan. Let it simmer.
All right, it's your girl, Chef AJ, and I'm making some Belgian waffles. I had some flour, I mixed in some cinnamon, I have some salt and sugar, a real pretty blend to make these Belgian waffles. I got some egg whites in it. I'm just gonna pour them in here. Get those going. We'll let those go for a couple minutes, okay?
And for my shrimp, I just did a simple minced garlic. We got some lemon pepper. Plus what I put in here, I have Italian seasoning, of course some regular pepper. Let's get everything going. Waiting for our water to boil for our grits. Our butter grits.
So Chef AJ, why'd you take out the middle of that?
I took out the middle because it's mainly just seeds and just stems, so you just want just the red pepper. So I like to just take it out just to make sure that no seeds get into my actual food and no stems. And you just want the flavor of the pepper, not necessarily the seeds or anything like that.
So what are you gonna do with these peppers?
I'm actually gonna chop these peppers up and we're gonna slide them into the eggs, so that way the eggs can have a little bit of color and flavor, bold flavor. Okay.
So Chef Goddess, what do we have going on over here?
Okay, so we're waiting for our water to boil. Looks like it's ready. And we're gonna go ahead and throw in our grits and mix them in. Okay. I always wait for my water to boil with my grits. So mix them in. I got my shrimp sizzling back there.
So I have a golden question to ask you. Sugar or salt?
Oh, so I always said salt. I've heard people, and I know people who do it with sugar, and they actually say that what we do up north, but I don't like sugar in my
I
grits.
don't like sugar in my
I like
grits.
salt.
Me
It's
too.
better.
I like to put cheese in my grits too.
Cheese,
Salt
yeah.
and
When I used to eat cheese, I have it in there. Yeah, so we gotta get going. Gonna cut them down. I'll put it in there.
Looks good. Smells good too.
Great.
Oh, as we see, you're washing your meat.
Yes. I have to wash your chicken, okay? Wash your meat, okay? Wash it. Don't believe anything these white people say, okay? Even scientifically, I don't give no fucks, okay? Wash your goddamn meat, okay? Wash that meat. Wash it.
So do you use vinegar mostly when you bake your chicken, or?
Yeah, well actually I do. When I use vinegar, when I bake my chicken, I use vinegar. Yes, I do.
So what seasonings are you using on your chicken?
So this right now I'm starting off with a little chili powder, just to bring a little spice to it. And then I'm gonna follow it up with some cumin. The cumin gives the chicken a really good taste when you fry it. It actually brings almost like a smoky flavor to it, so it's really good for that purpose. Get it nice and seasoned. I like to follow it up with some garlic. Throw a little garlic on there. I like my chicken nice and seasoned well. And then I follow it up with some salt. There we go. And then I'll just mix it around and make sure that it all gets on the chicken on each side. It's coated nicely. Seasoned well, so So I'll just let those sit there for a minute, and then I'll go ahead and get the oil hot.
So what are you cutting up right now?
Just squash and zucchini. Sometimes I just get creative and just start throwing shit together and just come out a masterpiece at the end.
So what's your plan for this? What are you gonna put it with?
With the shrimp, I'm gonna put everything in the shrimp and then might make a little more sauce with it and then put it on top of the grits. Watery and recording.
Is that y'all? Okay, so the blend of the grits, I like the saltiness and everything. Like that was really good. And then the zucchini, when you add that in, like it was like a perfect blend. Everything, the chicken waffles was really good. To me, the chicken might have been a little salty, but other than that, like it was perfectly cooked. The waffles, like I loved smelling them while they're being cooked because it had like a cinnamon scent, and then you taste it and it's like it tastes like exactly how it smells.
For my thoughts, I'll go with the chicken and waffles first. My favorite part was the crunch of the chicken. I'm a big texture girl, so when I'm eating, I feel everything. So the texture of the chicken was the best part. The crunch, love it. And then and I also love waffles. Anything with bread, it's a good choice for me. And the fact that I like the cinnamon touch, it was really sweet. And then eating it with the chicken, it was like a nice balance for them. And then for the shrimp and grits, some people don't cook their grits well at all. Like I can still taste the grains and it's just not the best. So the grits were really even. I really enjoyed it. The shrimp was great. I also like the zucchini. Yes, I do agree with Makaya. That was a great touch. Both of the meals were really good. I really don't have anything to say bad about them. Honestly,
Honestly, no, you're really good. Kudos to the chefs.
Oh yeah, chefs. What's next?
Thank you guys so much for watching. You can follow us on Instagram at DoseOfChefAJ.
At higher_vibe_eats with a Z. Like, share, comment, whatever y'all want to do. Make sure you look out for our next episode. Got something special cooking up.